Good morning, everyone. It is May 11th, Kyushu Institute of Technology, week number 4 for English 2C, first period. Although this recording will probably be used for all of the 3 periods, second period and third period as well, too. Okay, I did a little talk just before about the Zoom classes. Before you come into the Zoom room, it's a good idea for you to just check your microphone. Check your microphone by opening a Zoom room by yourself and then put your microphone in, okay? And then check that the microphone level on the microphone icon is going up and down. If it's going up and down properly, you're going to see a green microphone icon. And that's the best way to actually make sure that your Zoom is working. Otherwise, thank you for coming to class today. Class description is here. And we're going to be talking about a bunch of things. But before we do anything else, I want you to, because we're going to be doing a lot more communicating between you and me, I want you to watch this video on how to write an email. Okay? Just watch the video, because if you need help with something, it helps me to help you if you write an email properly. And writing an email is not the same thing as writing something on Twitter, on Instagram, direct messages, or DM, sometimes people call them. Those are messages between friends. If you're going to use email to message your teachers or to message people at work or to actually find a job, it's a completely different world, and there are a lot of rules that you have to follow. So this video, if you watch it, will help you give an idea on how to do that. It's a little bit longer. It's about 10 minutes long, but it helps you get an idea of what's important in an email. Okay, so please watch that on your own time. Now, we're still continuing with these PDF files. So what you read last week, where is it here? This, let's talk about topic sentences some more, number 2. Okay, that is the quiz that you're going to take for creating topic sentences 2. And then this week, this PDF, you'll get a quiz for that next week. You'll also have the video lecture, as you're doing now, and the review exercise for that. These have different deadlines so that you have a little bit of a break between them, but basically they're on the weekend. So this Saturday is the review exercise, and the following Sunday is the topic sentences 2 quiz. So this quiz is not for this PDF, it's for the PDF before, okay? Topic sentences 2. I also want to mention that last week on week 3, this is week 4, this was given out in last week, I gave you the self-introduction video assignment. I just checked this morning, and so far only one person, actually, only one person has sent this in. So don't forget, you have to still do this before May 18th. May 18th at 11 p.m. Make sure that you get that done. Let's see. I think that was it for this week. Yeah, you have a pretty light load for what you're doing this week. We'll have a few more exercises next week. Otherwise, if you want to email me, please use my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. But before you do, please watch this video now, and I want you to learn how to use your email properly. Okay, thanks very much.